really beautiful day we had yesterday, Sunday, August 3rd, 2025 in Lagatita. This is at my friend's property. Okay, it was super hot, but we played some dominoes and yeah, we had a really nice time. So I guess trading oil has a lot to do, okay, with VanLife, and so I am loving it. All right, so hello everyone, Ras Saint here, Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife day traders, and we were trading the oil today. We had a really awesome, very exciting trading day. Okay, I'm not gonna talk much about what happened. I'm gonna let you watch the video. Let me know in the comments. All I'm gonna say is we took one trade. It wasn't as great as it could have been, okay, seeing what the market did afterwards, but then we got an awesome, I'll let the videos speak for themselves. I hope you had an awesome weekend. Let's have an awesome trading week. Today's trading action, it's a two-part video, so you're gonna watch first part today. Tomorrow I will have the other video for you. There's a lot of explanations that I give why I took the trade. You're gonna watch me trading live and explaining everything, because the trading strategy, it's one thing, and then our success depends on what we do with those tools that I use. Let me know in the comments you have questions. Enjoy the video and check it out. Alrighty, so we have here, we have oil market, and we have the NASDAQ market. I've been mentioning
order submitted
that I only like, come on. Okay.
Order filled.
All right. Okay, I thought I was gonna miss that trade. So I mentioned that I only look at one market and one market only. I have two markets here. So Ra, why are you saying that one market and you have two markets here in your computer? Well, we used to trade, it was like 2 days ago. We were trading the NASDAQ and we're looking into the oil. I am not going to discard the NASDAQ yet, because we have the I have the NASDAQ price action pretty much set, okay, and we're getting used to the oil market, so we can have a trading opportunity in either or in both of the markets. Now here in the oil, we talked about the oil being the price was a little different because this moved in 1 cent increments. This is the oil price of futures right now, 66.10, and we're looking for 25 to 30 cents, which is, well, no, actually more. Give me a second. Let's see how this goes. But I'm looking for 10 to 15, 3 to 500 bucks. Okay, so we have 3 to 500 bucks. Okay, so 300, that's my goal. Okay, that's what I'm gonna be looking for. in the oil market. So we have here gold equals 300 to 500 bucks, and we know trading plan T. No, what happened here? Look, okay, trading plan, it's gonna be, we have two contracts, so 2 contracts, trading plan, 2 contracts, and that's, if I'm looking for 300, that's 15 to 25, punto 15 to punto 25, ticks. Well, actually it's 15 to 25 ticks, because we know, let me put this here, okay, 15 to 25 ticks, because we know one tick equals 0.01 cent in oil barrel price. So we are in here. We are in here at 66.05. If I look for 15 to 25 ticks, that means 5 plus 15, that's 20 right there, and through 30, this range right here is gonna be my target. Okay, there we have it. That's how we are doing it right now. Cool. Okay. And so now we're into we're trading into the oil. So I'm gonna cover, I'm gonna cover the NASDAQ. Okay, I don't want to be I don't want to see any other market than the one that I'm trading, which is the oil right now. Okay, now we have here, we go and grab our and make our analysis. We have right there a resistance zone, here, and we have a target zone way up here. Okay. Target zone. Okay. That's what we have. Let me get this out of the way. Remove. Max. How do I max this? Okay, and now we let me copy this, copy paste, and we're gonna use this as a, can anyone guess? Target level. Boom. So we have our target range here. Okay, we have a resistance zone here, and we have a target zone here. Okay, my zone, actually let me because this might be confusing for some of you. Let me change this. We're gonna use a trade range, a trade zone, okay? But it's not gonna be a trade zone, it's gonna be a target zone, okay? That's my target right there, anywhere in that yellow square. And you might be saying, well, Rob, but market already hit resistance. Why are you waiting to grab more points? Well, actually, oil works differently. Okay, so let's pause this. Let's see if they move pretty quickly and we can end this. So here we have 20 cents. 20 cents is 20 cents, 40 cents, $400. Okay, here we go. 300. Okay. 24, that's 19. And come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. I have my take profit right there at that resistance zone. I'm gonna close this trade. Okay. Come on. Huh. Okay. Okay, now I have to wait because they reached that. Okay. Then let me move this. They reached that second level of resistance, almost by the tick, and bounce back. That's okay. I'm gonna move this a little bit to the upside. And now they might retrace a bit and then keep on pushing. So I missed that opportunity of closing the trade. That's why it's so important. Okay, I got a little bit greedy. Okay, because I said that my trading plan is my trading goal $300 to $500. We had 360, I think it was. So that was in the range. So that should have been a winner. Anyway, it's still highly probable it's gonna push. Okay, it should push at least towards this target zone. Hey Ra, why don't you wait then? I'll explain to you that later on. I'm gonna pause this video. We'll be back to close the trade, and then I'll explain everything, okay, to you, what I am doing, why I'm doing what I'm doing. I hope you had an awesome weekend. Let's have an awesome trading week. We'll be back. Don't go. I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Okay. And
Target filled.
catching, target filled. Ra, why did you do that? Let me explain. Give me a few. We have here, Bob. Okay. Let's do this first. It's a marker, Bob. We have, and we have CL. CL buy, setup, up. We have entry. We have two contracts at 66.05. Up. We have target, two contracts at 66.13, and that equals 8 ticks. I was gonna say 0.8 ticks dot for total trade. We have 16 ticks, which equals $160. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because market gives. You see, I knew I was gonna screw it up at some point. $10 per CL tick, which is 1 unit. Okay, let's go to the trade now. We have minor entry level. We have a, well, we had a, I don't know why I moved this. We had it was right around here. Oh yeah, this high, this high. We had a mini entry level right here. Okay, that's exactly where I bought. I wish I had bought earlier, but that's okay. Okay, like I mentioned, I am still studying the crude light oil market because yes, I used to trade it for around 5 years exclusively, but things change. Okay, when I would watch the oil market a few months ago, I was using the same price action I knew from the few years back, and definitely it's super different. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so now of course I close the trade, and then they go running towards our take profit level with what was around there, 25. That was 20 cents times 2, that's 40. That was $400 right there. But I decided to close the trade because this is a 15-minute chart. There was 5 minutes left on the candle, and I didn't want to risk. Okay, because yes, that's the target, and I think they're going to for that, but there was a lot of resistance here. Okay, that's why it's so important to understand price action. I'm never gonna get tired. You might get tired of hearing it, but I'm never gonna get tired of mentioning how important price action is. You can have all the indicators in the world, I don't care. You can have all the tools in the world. We have the entry levels, we have the zones, we know market it should go highly probable that they should go to those zones, but market is also unpredictable. Okay, yes, we work with probabilities. That's probability, no, that's percentage. Probabilities, but we also have to see what's going on. Okay, this candle right here told me, hey, we're gonna keep on pushing. And let me tell you, I was looking for a sell setup. We have a bearish move to that minor entry level. We have a support level here, which I've told you I don't use, but that's okay. Still, market didn't reach that support level and bounce right back. So what I am seeing right now, this is not even my opinion. Okay, this is a fact. We have what we're seeing right now. Now let me open this a little bit. Okay, what we are seeing right now, there are two possibilities of what this movement is. Number one, let me know in the comments if you understand what I'm saying and if you what you think this is. It might be, there are two possibilities. It might be we mentioned about price swings, right? It might be a new change in trend direction. Okay, FOAP. It could be that, but we don't know yet. We don't have enough information. All we know is that market is doing a price swing, and it could be, if this was a change in trend direction, this would be swing number one here. It should be this one. If this is swing number one, then we're gonna have a lot of opportunity. Okay, we just need to wait for a retracement, which hasn't even started yet, and then I love how this video is coming out, what the market is providing us. Okay, and then maybe around 1, 2 in the afternoon. Okay, we don't have any yet support, resistance, target zones. This could be a possibility. All right. Or what is the other option? There's only two things that this move could be. We have that first swing of a change in trend direction. If you're feeling lost or you don't understand what I'm talking about, don't worry. This is basic stuff, but it's important stuff. Okay, that sometimes and usually most novice traders, they don't think about that. They just look at, is the market going up, is the market going down, what are the indicators saying? Forget the indicators. If that's you that saw a video online and they sell these little arrows that tell you, oh, buy here, and when a signal says to sell, then you sell and then you made all this money, that's bullshit. It might work, but at the end it's not that easy. I'm showing you here how a professional day trader analyzes the market. Yes, that would be me. Thank you. I don't want to brag about it, but anyway, it is what it is. Okay, we have that possibility, number one. And the other possibility, there's only two things that this could be. We already mentioned that. Is that this is a retracement of a big swing. Okay, we have a big swing to the downside, a retracement, and then we might have a continuation to the downside. So we are here. Is it this one or is it this one? Well, this swing right here. The answer, let me know in the comments if you know the answer. The answer is I don't know. And here, I'm not gonna say, I was gonna put like, I don't care, but yeah, we should care. I don't know. So there's a target zone right here. Yes. Is market gonna reach there? We don't know. I don't know, and if I don't know, or I don't see the probabilities, or I don't see price action moving towards that, I'm gonna stay out, or I'm gonna take whatever I have and wait for another opportunity. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. It's 10:48 in the morning. Okay, I have already in this trade $160. What are my goals? 300 to 500. So if I take another trade and I make $200, I'm in my goal. Okay, so yeah, there they go. Pop, they reached that target. Beautiful, but I wasn't gonna hold it just just so you could see, oh, this guy, he made so much money. No, this is real trading. So if I don't see things, I mean, there's this trade, I mean, this was an awesome trade, but it could have gone really bad. Okay, market could have just decided to make a retracement that we're waiting for. Okay, I am waiting for a retracement. We know sometimes market hit resistance zone and bounces right back. So I think this was an awesome trade management. I am happy with that. I am not happy that I didn't reach my goal, but I have no problem with that because profit is a profit. This only took me like what, 15 minutes? Okay, $160 in 15 minutes. Well, that ain't bad. All right, but I'll definitely keep on waiting and looking patiently. If I see another opportunity, pop, I will join in. But I am not going to hold a trade just because it hasn't reached my goal or it hasn't fulfilled my trading plan. That's being dumb. Okay, you grab what you can, you follow price action, trade management. If you see that market is kind of hesitating, well, take your profits and run. You know my trading style: get in, get out. The faster we do it, the less exposure we have in the market, the less risk. And well, there you go. But imagine we were in the other, if we were selling the market and suddenly, boom, this huge price swing happened. These are swings that they'll erase trading accounts just like that. So trade management, very important. Understanding price action, super important. Now let's see the reaction. Okay, how market reacts at that major entry level, because I don't think this bearish move is done yet. But that's my opinion. I'm not gonna do anything right now until I see, and I'm gonna end this pretty soon because we are almost done. Okay, until I see a retracement of this move or a continuation to the downside. Right now, there's nothing to see here. There's nothing to do unless you like burning your trading account. So that's it for now. I'll post results if I have any other trade, but this video is done. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments. All right, questions, comments, complaints, jokes. You want to learn my trading strategy, you want to join our trading group, you know what to do, right? Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day traders. You have a great one. Catch me.